In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download from Loom. This process is straightforward but crucial for anyone looking to keep a copy of their videos. Knowing how to navigate the Loom interface will save you time and ensure you have your important content readily available. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Loom. You can do this by typing Loom into the search bar and hitting Enter. As the search results populate, you will see various links related to the Loom website. It's essential to ensure that you are on the official Loom site for security reasons. This step is important because accessing the correct site helps protect your account and personal information. Once you find the official link, you're ready for the next step. Next up, click on the correct link to access the Loom website. You should see the Loom homepage, which features various options and information about their services. Make sure it's the official site to avoid any phishing attempts. This is a vital step because using the right link ensures that you have access to the features you need, including downloading your videos. Once you've clicked the link, you should be directed to your Loom account or the login page if you are not already logged in. Now, it's time to log into your Loom account. If you already have an account, enter your credentials, including your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, this would be the moment to create one. This step matters because downloading videos is only available to registered users, and you need to be logged in to access your video library. After logging in, you should find yourself on your dashboard, ready to manage your videos. From there, open your Loom library. You can find this option in the navigation menu, usually located on the left side of the screen. Clicking on this will take you to a page that displays all the videos you have created or have access to. This step is significant because it acts as the central hub for all your Loom videos, making it easy to locate the specific video you want to download. Once you are in your library, you will see thumbnails of your videos, each representing different recordings. Next, click on the video you want to download to open its view page. As you click on the desired video, it will load and display the video player along with additional options. This is an important step since you need to select the specific video you wish to download. Once the video opens, you will see various controls and options that pertain to the video you've selected. After that, look for the three dots icon located above or next to the video player. This icon represents the More Actions menu. Clicking on these three dots will reveal additional options related to the video. This step is crucial because it allows you to access the download feature among other actions. Once you click on the three dots, you will see a drop-down menu appear with several choices. Finally, select Download from the drop-down menu. Your video will download as an MP4 file. This step is the culmination of your efforts and ensures that you have a copy of your video saved on your device. After you click Download, you might see a progress bar indicating the download status. Once the download is complete, you will have your video ready to view anytime, making this whole process worthwhile. Now you know how to download videos from Loom with ease. Following these steps ensures that you have your important content available when you need it. Enjoy your videos.